Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kids Planet with Urwa, where we think together, explore the universe, and most of all enjoy learning. हम Science World के Tale of the Universe पे थे. Today we will be discussing Aristotelian model of the universe. इस टॉपिक सब टॉपिक में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि what the scientist Aristotle thought of the universe. So let's start. According to Aristotelian cosmology, जो अर्थ है वो सेंटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स इन बाकी सारी जो प्लैनेट्स हैं स्टार्स और एंड अदर हेवनली बॉडीज दे रिवॉल्व अराउंड द अर्थ. सो इस बात से तो ये प्रूफ हो गया कि द अरिस्टोटलियन मॉडल वाज अ जियोसेंट्रिक मॉडल. So let's move on. जो Aristotle था, he believed that the earth is eternally unmoved, meaning static, और जो बाकी सारी चीज़ें थी they revolve around the earth in concentric spheres. इसने propose किया कि जो heavens थे वो literally composed थे of the 55 concentric crystalline spheres in which celestial objects were attached. One thing I would like to add here is जहाँ पे जब word use होता है crystalline, ये transparent के sense में use हुआ हुआ है. So let's keep a move on. So you see कि Aristotle said that all those celestial objects were attached to these orbits and they rotated at different velocities, but the angular velocity of all the planets remained the same, with the Earth at the center. You see this figure, it illustrates the ordering of the spheres in which the sun, moon and visible planets are attached. This figure right here, this is the Aristotelian model. You see it ये order show कर रहा है कि आखिर पहले कौन सा planet था, first orbit किसका था, second किसका था, third किसका था, and we'll discuss more about this illustration after we discuss what's written above. Let's go on. Aristotle से पहले it was a common belief कि जो अर्थ है it is a stationary flat plate. In 340 BC उसने publish की अपनी famous book on the heavens, जिसने state किया कि जो अर्थ थी वो एक round sphere थी rather than a flat plate. उसने put forward किए some amazing arguments for his theory. So उसका first argument था, उसने insist किया कि जो eclipses थे of the moon वो they get caused by the earth coming in between the sun and the moon. जो अर्थ का shadow था on the moon वो हमेशा round था, जो कि सिर्फ तभी possible हो सकता था if the earth was spherical. If the earth had been a flat disk, जो shadow होता वो elliptical होता, unless the eclipse always occurred at a time when the sun was directly under the center of the disk. सेकेंडली उसने ये आर्ग्यू किया कि जो नॉर्थ स्टार था, अगर हम उसको व्यू करें फ्रॉम द साउथ तो वो आपको लोअर लगेगा देन इट मोर्डेड ऑन द नॉर्दर्ली रीजन्स, एंड because the north star lies over the north pole, it appears to someone on the north pole it appears to be directly above them, but to someone observing from the equator वो बिल्कुल horizon पे lie कर रहा होता है. Now this is also an argument that proves that the earth is spherical rather than a hard plate. One thing I would like to add here कि as Aristotle was a Greek, तो Greeks ने always एक argument ये दिया था कि you see whenever a ship comes to a harbor, you first see its sail, not the other part of the ship. You only see its sail first, and then you see the body. You see that is only possible कि अगर जो है अर्थ स्फेरिकल है, वो इसकी ये लॉजिक बन रही है कि यू सी अगर यूं शिप आ रहा है ऑन द राउंड अर्थ तो उसमें इट इज ऑब्वियस कि आप उसके टॉप वाले पार्ट जो कि सेल है उसको पहले देखेंगे rather than the its body. You see that is only possible if the earth was spherical. So हम आगे मूव ऑन करते हैं. एरिस्टोटल जो है बिलीव करता था कि जो अर्थ है वो सेंटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स है. And he also believed that it was stationary in the middle and the other things revolved around it, and we have already discussed that. According to him जो थे वो ऑर्बिट्स वो सर्कुलर थे, एंड ये आइडिया जो है ये एलैबोरेट किया था द इंटायर एरिस्टोटलियन कॉस्मोलॉजी, ये आइडिया एलैबोरेट किया था पटोलमी ने इन द 2nd century AD, और फिर ये मॉडल एक कंप्लीट कॉस्मोलॉजिकल मॉडल बन गया वेयर द अर्थ स्टूड एट द सेंटर सराउंडेड बाय 8 spheres that carried the moon and the sun, the stars and the 5 planets known at the time: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. So let's go on. ये एरिस्टोटल के स्टैचू की एक इमेज है. एरिस्टोटल lived from 384 to 322 BC. Now ये Aristotelian model of the universe है. And let's discuss it a bit. You see over here, the Earth है in the center, which means that this model was also a geocentric model. These are the circular orbits, a layer of fixed stars, and this is it. That is gonna be enough for today's video. हम कल Ptolemaic model of the universe को discuss करेंगे. So that's all for today. Thank you.